I think the first thing that opened my eyes to it was to how athletic and serious it can be was a competition that I attended as a spectator, seeing the dancers really spend a lot of time on their choreography, on their basics, their technique, their costumes, and realizing that it looked like a lot of fun, and also something that you can really dedicate a lot of time to. And so after seeing these competitors be so invested in Ori Tahiti, I wanted to seek out ways to learn. I'm from New Jersey, the east coast of the United States. There are no kupu ori. It's not popular at all. And so we had to spend a lot of time and a lot of money to be able to find teachers. So taking flights to Florida, to California, and searching for a lot of workshops, using social media to get in touch with dancers to be able to coordinate Zoom classes and things like that. And I thought it would be challenging to progress and to get better on Zoom, but actually it's been the opposite. It's been really helpful for my dancing, and I'm very thankful. It's the silver lining of the pandemic.